This is the ULANZI LM18 mini LED light for DJI Osmo Action 3, 4 and 5 Pro. I bought it on Amazon just under £20. I have good faith in ULANZI products. Anyway, let's unbox this and try it out on my DJI 5 Pro. It's got a USB-C charging cable. Right, so it's got 3 different levels of light. 1, 2, 3. That is the charging port. Okay, let's put this on my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Brilliant. So you just press and hold the power button to turn it on, and press it again to change the light levels, and press and hold to turn it off. Brilliant. I'm going to use this quite a lot.